Hey guys, Tom here from vatsleet.com. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on everything we got going on around here. We've picked up a new drag car that's going to be a project, a 78 Monte Carlo. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to put an LS in it, probably twin turbo, something crazy. Also got an update on wiring harnesses that I'll be including on this video. Should be able to help you guys out with those. ECMs. We've only got a couple left in stock here. We've sold out of every drive-by cable one that we have. We've got a couple of the P59s that have the IAC controllers in them. So if you guys are wanting to do, drive-by cable with flex fuel and all of the options, 3-bar, everything, I do have a couple of those ECMs left, so hit us up if you need one of those. Other than that, I'm going to throw in some pictures here of the Monte Carlo, and then I'll get into the wiring harness. Alright guys, something a little new here. Getting into wiring harnesses, working on instructions, a lot of fun. But these are the new harnesses that we're bringing in. So, mind my mess here with screwing around with this. Apparently unprepared. Jeez Louise, I'm really unprepared. And one-handed. So anyways, all of that is your under dash wiring, so everything tack, speedo, all of that also has wires in it for fan 1, fan 2, so you can hook up relays and run your cooling fans. Super nice there. Then we've got both of our PCM connectors, ground, fuse block, relays, of course your OBD2. These harnesses are super nice. This one's a 4L60 Delphi injectors. You can do them in Delphi, you can do them in EV6, whatever you need. Really great plugs on them. Super nice. Everything is wire loomed all the way through.